Before we go to the video, let me show you what's happening. We are generating QR codes in a Django template without any databases.
Django, Python, JavaScript, tutorials, but Jamie, this is so loud.
What the fuck, HTML?
There's only C.
Today, let's talk about generating QR codes with Django. It's one possible way to do it. There are other ways, certainly. We are not saving the image in the database. We are basically generating it in the backend and sending it to the front end. And post is in my blog. I'm gonna leave the link in the description in case you want to follow from there. Okay, now I will open the text editor and I already have a simple project. Gonna create in the CBV a get context data method, assign the super to context and return context itself like that. And after that, let's import QR code because we will use it very soon, and create some text. Could be the I'm gonna use my website, so could be this one, so we can test this later. And let's create this variable QR to store the QR code. So QR code dot make and pass in text. Now there's something that I haven't done, which is to install QR code. Pip install QR code. It's that simple. I already have it. It didn't install for me. Let's run the Django project with run server and good. Okay, that's part of it. We have the QR code image in a Python object format, but we will convert this to like bytes. Let's do that with buffer and create some space in memory for it with bytes IO. We need to import from IO, import bytes IO. So this is creating a space in the memory, and we will use it to store the QR code like this. Can use QR, save, pass in the buffer, and choose the format to be PNG in a string. Okay. After this, we will convert this buffer to base 64. I'll explain to you soon why. First, let's create a context variable for the dictionary, could be QR, and in here, let's use base 64. We need to import base 64, and let's use b64 encode. So encode and pass in the buffer with get value. So let me explain you. We are getting and get value as parentheses. So basically we are getting the bytes from buffer, from QR code, and we are converting, encoding this into base 64 byte format. So you can think of this as bytes in yet one other format. And we still need to convert this to a string by using decode. The advantage of this is that the browser can interpret this. I have here a template, and we can now use an image tag with the source to be data column image slash png semicolon base 64 comma, and then we pass the string with the QR code. and this will simply show up in the browser as our image. So let's take a look on that. Here it is. Like for the curiosity, what is in the image tag? So it's this string that the browser interprets as the image. There you go. No database required. It's one of the many possibilities to generate a QR code in Django. I hope this video was useful for you. Like, subscribe, say hello, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!